Today we're going to make a game in Godot in under 5 minutes. So we're going to add our 3 folders for assets, scripts, and scenes. We're going to go ahead and load up our assets. We're going to go ahead and add a node 2D. We'll call that game. We'll add a TileMapLayer. We'll call that ground. We're going to save that in our scenes folder. We're going to create a new scene. We're going to add a character body 2D. We're going to add a collision shape 2D. Do that character body 2D. Select character body 2D again and add a animated sprite 2D. We're going to go ahead and click on our animated sprite, and in the inspector click on sprite frames. Down at the bottom you'll get this window. We're going to make sure you're selected on sprite frames. Click on this little square right here to get from your sprite sheet. Go to your assets, to your player, get your animation, select your frames, adjust your FPS, make sure autoplay and looping is on. You see here we got a cloudy little pixel dude, so we're going to go into our project settings, go to rendering, go to textures, go to default texture filter under the canvas textures and change that from linear to nearest. There you go, now you got a cool little dude, nice and crisp. We're going to move him up so he's on the line. We're going to add a collision shape. We're going to make sure we're using our select mode and not the resize mode. We're going to rename this to player. We're going to save that in the scenes folder where our game is saved. So now we need something for our cool little dude to stand on. We'll go to our ground and inspector, click on the tile set. We'll add a physics layer. If you're using a 32 by 32 tile set, change the tile size. In this case, we're using 16 by 16. We're going to come down here into our bottom tab. Make sure you're on tile set. Click the plus, add from your atlas. Find your tile set in your assets folder. Click yes when this box pops up. Now we can go to our tile map and you can place tiles. Then you can go down here into your scenes folder and you can grab your player scene, click and drag it onto your ground. So we're going to want to add collisions for the ground. So we're going to go back into our ground. We're going to click on paint. We're going to go to the drop down and select the physics layers. Paint whatever you want on there, whatever shape your blocks are. We're going to add a camera 2D to our player so the screen has something to find. We're going to set the zoom. You can see the purple box that shows you the size of your zoom. So here you'll get this box. You can press select current if you are on your game scene, but I like to go into the project settings, application, run at the top, main scene. You can click the little file, go to your scenes, click your game and click load and close. Now play your game. As you can see, we have a little dude standing here, but we can't move him yet. So let's go back into our editor here, go to our player scene. Let's click on our player, click the little add script button. You're going to want to go to the template and click character body 2D basic movement, and the path, you're going to want to set the path to the script folder. It's nice to keep it organized. Click create, control S to save, and there you go, you have a movement script. It's just very basic with your arrows, and there you go. There's your Godot game.